Okay, it's Friday, so it's time for our Riff Challenge. So today we're going to look at 20th Century Boy by T.Rex. Now this is a really cool song, so if you've not heard it, go on YouTube or Spotify and check it out. So I'm going to play the riff for you, and then we'll zoom in for some close-ups and I'll talk through what's going on. Okay, so the riff starts on an E5 chord, and I'm going to play that 3 times, and I'm actually going to alternate. So I'm going to go down, up, down, and you'll notice that there's a 2-beat rest after it. So I'm going to make sure that I put my hand on the strings to mute the strings. So it's going to go down, up, down, and then stop. Okay, so that's the first line. The second line, you'll notice that the chord rhythm is the same, but there's a little passage on the 6th string, so it'll go. Okay, so what's happening there is we've got the E5 again 3 times, and then we get the open 6th string twice, and then we get a little bend on the 2nd fret 6th string, and then the open string 6th string, and then we do the bend again on the 2nd fret 6th string, open string. So putting that together in rhythm. Okay, here we are with the same pattern again, but you can see what's happening from the other angle.